So let's go ahead and write code that allows us to fill this array up with values. I'm going to say int number index equals 0. I'm going to do it the other way around this time. You'll see what I mean in a second. While number index is smaller than 5, then console.writeLine number index plus 1. Oops. There we go. So I'm doing it the other way around, where my number index is actually going to be 0 based, but when I present it to the user, I'm going to add 1 to it. So it's the opposite of what I did before. Well, then what I'm going to do is I'm going to say number array. Actually, I'm just going to use int.parse. Remember, every time you see me use int.parse, you should really always use int.tryparse, but this isn't a tryparse example. This is an array example. So I'm going to keep things as simple as I can. Okay, so now we have code that'll allow us to fill up our number array with 5 integers. And again, we do that by every time we iterate through this loop, we access a different item based off of our number index variable, which gets incremented every time our loop executes. And then we set that value to the result of int.parse console readline, which I hope people have seen a lot of already in the last 2 classes. But this just means that we are going to be parsing out the result of the user typing in text and storing it in an integer and stuffing it in the array.